Hello friends, back with another interesting video, and this is how we are giving nice cone pattern and pasting several color clays on top, and this way we are creating our own ice cream cone. Different kinds of looks we can create. Next one, it's another eggshell cardboard. Cutting it out, pasting several color clays so that it will give this nice flowery look here, and we are trying to paste it on this sheet so that after completing the entire flower it will give this kind of look. And this is a cardboard, eggshell cardboard, and we are giving this bee look out of this cardboard. And next one, it's a leaf we have taken. Using these colors we are trying to print it out, and this way we are trying to create this using this white kind of clothes. Using this patterns we are trying to color it out and give this nice flower look here, and here's our leaves are there, and this way we can create our flower. Next one, it's a paper we have crushed it out, and this way we are trying to spread this clay a green color so that it will look like a nice cactus garden here. And this way we can decorate with other colors. Using this pattern we can create our octopus more beautiful, more creative. Next one, it's a candy ice cream we'll create out of this cardboard, coloring it out using our colors, and you can have your own colors. Which color ice cream you like the most, you can create that. Next one, it's a red color clay. This is how we are trying to cover the entire circular part and putting the middle part there. This is how we are making nice colorful flowers out here, and we can give it more beautiful decorations with the help of these markers, and you can color it out. Next one, it's another color pattern we are trying to draw with the help of these colors and black color clay, spreading it like this. This is how we are creating a nice platform here, and we are spreading these colors like this in such a way. After coloring the other colors in using clay, this is how we are trying to make a nice garden. Next one, we are trying to draw this pattern and spreading it around the sheet. This is how we are trying to, with the help of colors, with the help of water, we are spreading it around, and this way we are drawing further things in such a way so that it will create a yellow flower garden here. Further drawings we can make of a bee. She is really hanging around in this garden. Next one, it's a paper we have taken, we have teared it out into shape, and this is how we are giving designs to it and putting the clays on top of it so that it will create a nice flower over here. And this is how our flowers is ready. Different colors can be made with this flower, and this is how leaves can be done. Next one, it's a colored clay we have taken. We are trying to press it around, give this shape over here, and this is how we are trying to make a nice leaf shape over here. Further, we are giving all the designs to it, and this is how we are creating spaces on there.